guys, it's Alicia. I'm basically a pimp, but I don't know. So, I think I'm just gonna talk about how much I live in the ghetto. My ghetto house, my ghetto car, my ghetto neighbor named John. Just joking, I don't have a neighbor named John. I wish I had a neighbor named John. Yeah, times in like the last minute. Because so I flip my hair like more than the guys. Maybe once a day. That was a lie. I don't know how many times I do it. I'm like Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber backpack. Oh, just joking. I don't like Justin Bieber. Just joking. Of course I do. So, yeah, trying to magic hair. I got paint on my hair tie. Yep. No, no, don't go away. My room. It's pretty pimp. You're just jealous because you don't have fun as school is. I know you want to cuddle with me in my bed. Wish I had a penis. I never had